In this video, I will be showing you how to create a QR code in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll click on Custom Size and select an 8.5 by 11-inch layout to open a new document. Once the editor loads, I'll head over to the sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar, I'll type QR code and select the tool from the results. Now I'll paste my URL into the field and click Generate Code. My QR code appears instantly, so I'll just grab the corner to resize it and move it to the top of the page. To try a different style, I'll go to the Apps tab and search for QR code again. After selecting the app, I'll paste my link, but this time I'll click Customize to change the foreground color. I'm going to pick a nice shade of pink from the palette. I'll click Generate Code, then resize and position this new version right below the first one. Finally, I'll click Share in the top right corner, select Download, and hit the purple Download button to save my design as a PNG. That's how easy it is to make QR codes for your designs.